Hello, Bacho. So, the given question, we can see that there are four statements given, and we have to select the correct statements out of these. So, let us read the statements given to us. Statement 1 says that photorespiration is favored by high O2, low CO2, rise in temperature, high light intensity. Statement 2 says chloroplasts of cells of bundle sheath or C4 plants are grainless and have RUBisCO but no PEPcase. And statement 3 says chloroplasts of mesophyll cells of C4 plant are granale, have PEPcase but no RUBisCO. And the fourth statement says that maize and sorghum are C4 plants. So let us see these statements one by one. So for the first one, we need to understand photorespiration. And for photorespiration, we need to know about the enzyme RUBisCO. So RUBisCO stands for ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. So the carboxylase and oxygenase show that the enzyme RUBisCO has affinity for both CO2 and oxygen. But we also know that the enzyme has higher affinity for oxygen as compared to carbon dioxide. So in that case, if the concentration of O2 increases and CO2 decreases, in both the cases, or if both the cases happen together, we will see that the Calvin cycle does not proceed ahead because the RUBisCO enzyme will not bind with CO2, rather it will bind with oxygen. And so in that case, we will see a C2 pathway following over, which results in the formation of phosphoglycerate and phosphoglycolate. And along with this, the rise in temperature and highlight intensity both favor the case of photorespiration. So now if we read the statement 1 once again, we know that the first statement given is correct. For the other statements, let us look at the C4 pathway. Let us see closely to this pathway. First of all, we can see presence of mesophyll cell. Inside of mesophyll cell, we see the presence of phosphoenol pyruvate. And for the fixation of phosphoenol pyruvate, we know that there is presence of the enzyme PEPcase. But there is no presence of the enzyme RUBisCO in the mesophyll cell. Also, the thing to notice about mesophyll cell is that the chlorophyll here is granule. Now we see the bundle sheath cell. In bundle sheath cell, if we see closely, we can see that there is fixation of CO2 by the Calvin cycle. And since there is Calvin cycle going on here, we know that RUBisCO must be present in the bundle sheath cell. The second thing to notice about bundle sheath cell is that the chloroplasts in bundle sheath cells are agranal. That means they don't have grana. So the statement 2 says that chloroplasts of cells of bundle sheath of C4 plants are granaless and have RUBisCO but no PEPcase. And it is absolutely correct. The statement 3 says chloroplasts of mesophyll cells of C4 plants are granule and have PEPcase but no RUBisCO. And this also is correct. And maize and sorghum are C4 plants. Yes, maize and sorghum are the examples of C4 plants. That means all the four statements given to us are correct, which means Option A, all are correct, is the correct answer. Hope you understood it well. All the best.